Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Titan, AKT. If you're following us on social media, in this video I'm going to be going over my thoughts on the stock market heading into tomorrow, Monday, October 31st. But before I get into that, please like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Let's get straight into it. All right, so tomorrow, overall I am bearish heading into tomorrow, okay? But there is a caveat to this, and we are really close to 390. And the reason why I mentioned 390 is because it is a key level that we can potentially be bullish on. All right. The only problem with 390, even if we break 390, there is a lot of turbulence in this area here. Okay. In this area here, there is a lot of turbulence. So it's going to be hard for me to see us like break to new highs or anything like that. I think at most we'll just probably chop here in this area and then head back down. So I think even if we break 390, it will be short-lived. Okay, the only way I see us breaking past this area here is if we get some type of good news. As you guys can see, we got a lot of wicks here coming from the upside, pushing down, and we do have a gap fill up here between 403 410. I can't see us breaking that or heading into that tomorrow. Okay, so I think the more safe bet for me is to be bearish heading into tomorrow. Okay. Not only that, we are at a key level here, as you guys can see. Let me get over there. All right. As you guys can see, we are at a key level here. We did break a little bit past it, but I imagine we're going to reverse. Okay. I imagine we're going to reverse here in this area and push back down. Okay, now key levels to look out for heading down. Okay, so the first level I'm going to be looking at is 385 384.8. okay, 385 384.8 is the level I'm going to be looking out for. Okay, if we just so happen to break below 384.8, I'm going to be looking at 380. Okay, I can't imagine we're going to see 380 tomorrow, but I would be bearish for at least the next 2 days after if we do so happen to break 384.8. okay, and the level I'm going to be looking for after that is 380 and 377. okay, if we break, so 380, I'm going to be looking for a scalp move or, you know, a quick day trade, and then 377 is where I'm going to be bearish again. Okay, so as of now, overall I am bullish on the market, but right now heading into tomorrow I am bearish. If we so happen to break those key levels to the downside, then I will be looking to go bearish. Okay, so if we break 377, I imagine that we are trying to head back down. Where is it? Head back down to this area here. Okay, we retest this zone here, which is the weekly supply and demand zone, and then we head back up for November. Okay, we do have midterms coming up, so I think a pullback prior to then would just make more sense. Okay, if we don't get that, then that's completely fine, but I imagine before midterms that we will see one more huge pullback. Everybody gets bearish, and then everybody gets trapped, and then we just fly to the moon. Okay, now again, heading into the upside, if we so happen to break 390, just be prepared for chop. I don't see us breaking too high from 390. At most, we'll see 392, 393 range, but then after that, it's really tough for me to see us go any higher. Okay, if I am looking to go higher, I'm looking at 395, 396 range, okay, to break. Okay, 395, 396 range. I think the more safe bet is to break past 397. After that, I'm looking at 400, 403, and 410 max. Okay, max for this week. All right, now those are my key levels. Let's get into the NASDAQ. All right, so the NASDAQ is already breaking down. Okay, it's already breaking down. As you guys can see right here, I was looking for a move higher. Well, not much higher, but a little bit higher before we started to break down. But as you guys can see, we're breaking down already. Now, it can easily reverse here, and then we just head higher, and then we form some type of triple top, which I was marking here. So you guys can see 1, 2, 3. This could have been a potential triple top, but it looks like we are making a lower low on the hourly. Okay, so safe to say that we are breaking down so far, and we could potentially see a retest back down to 11,200, 300 range. Okay, so obviously the key level here is to look out for a break of 11,500. Then we go to 11,300. All right, if we want to make a move higher, I would look for 11,700 to be broken. Okay, if we just so happen to break 11,700, let's go to a different time frame so we can see. If we break 11,700, I think it's going to be a clear shot. And if we're looking over here, you can see it clear as day. It's going to be a clear shot to 11,900, 12K at most. I don't see us breaking 12K this week. Okay, unless obviously, you know, we get some amazing news, but right now, just strictly off chart analysis, technical analysis, I don't see us breaking 12K this week. All right, so if we break 11,700, again, watch out for this area here. There is a lot of turbulence in this area, but we have a smooth big candle area of volatility here, where we could potentially just shoot straight to close to 12K. All right, so those are the levels I am looking for as far as the Nasdaq heading into the upside. And as far as the downside, again, we want 11,500 to break, and then 11,300. If we just so happen to break 11,200, next level is 11K. Okay, I'm not gonna. The reason why I hesitated there, because I'm not going to talk about breaking 11K. It's just hard for me to see that happening prior to midterms. But anything is possible in this market. So, you know, just keep an eye out. All right. Overall, that's all I really have, guys. Hopefully you got something out of this video. If it makes sense, like, subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.